Oh, okay. Huge. Why does it always? I mean, I don't need it to do that, do I? I can just... No. Yeah. Can I do this? No. Did I? I did. Oops. There we go. Now, okay. Uh, maybe next time it won't take me 5 minutes just to set up the stream itself. And then I can just turn the stream on and start programming. Oh, that was scary. I almost threw my phone on my thing, my wallet. I have my fan on. It is so loud. I can't hear myself. I mean, I guess it's helpful for my brain. Alright. So particle system. I am gonna have... See, I have this. I have the game state itself. Yeah, so let's just do that. So if I... I'm gonna have a position... So the one thing right now that I am unsure of is... Should I just use 3D? Am I already using 3D? So this is like a multi-layered thing. Right now I'm drawing. I'm using. I may have to like completely change how I'm doing rendering. Because is this the right one? Yeah, this is the right one. So right now it is in 3D, but I'm drawing like rectangles, I'm drawing like all that shit. The issue is I probably don't want to do that. The alternative, and that might be what I need to do, is have them yeah. Yeah, text and everything is going to be rendered. That's an interesting thing. Does Raylib have a like draw 3D text? No, it's all 2D, which means all the text gets rendered. I can draw text to an image, draw the image in 3D. That might be what I do. That would be, yes, that might be, that might just be what I do. But that's gonna happen later. Right now, I will just do. Alright, let's see. What images do I have? Do I have it in here? No. Is it in here? Yes. Alright, what stuff do I have? Can I have a preview, please? How do I... No, I want a preview. I forgot how to add a preview little thing. That? Okay, perfect. Oh yeah, that's right. Forgot I had this saved. What's this? Oh, Minish Cap. I don't know what that is. Alright, let's go. What's in here? That's a Minecraft texture pack. Yeah, what's in here? What's in here? What's in here? No. Items. Textures. Sorry, Uni. want something that I can loop. I'll just use this. It doesn't need to loop. I think I want it to be something a bit. Yeah, that works. I mean, I'll just... zero.png. Let's go back real quick. Where's that flash? It's this. I'm gonna use that. I changed my mind. I am, in fact, going to I'm gonna redo all the rendering. This I need to fix. It doesn't work consistently. It kind of just hacked it together anyways, so it's fine. It works well enough. Yeah. Where am I drawing my balls? They're being drawn. it an arena? Oh. It might be an arena. My balls get drawn. Yes, here is my balls getting drawn. So here, that does not need to be there at all. What's harder to do? Another for loop or pushing and popping a transformation matrix inside a for loop? Okay, so I want to draw a, what do they call it? Draw billboard. Get rid of you. So let's see. Draw the billboard at. Okay, this is gonna be wrong. Am I saving the? Okay, let me. Unit Y. Yep, okay, vector 3 position is gonna be. Thank you, Kyle Kiesk. Alright, that was a vector 3 position, so it's gonna be should be in pixels. Right, a single unit should be a single pixel, so I'm not worried about it. Because I am just doing everything from scratch. Texture with height. What's wrong with me? Why did I think there was a zero? An X and a Y. It's zero. 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 Is there a camera in the game state? Oh, is there a camera in the render state? Like the render? Oh. Okay, I'll just put a camera in the game state then. Anything else? Oh, the origin, let's just say it's 0, 0. Is that the origin of the... Is that the origin of the texture, or the origin of the... Why are you like that? Is there anything else? Okay. 172. Excuse me? Oh, wait. it's because I didn't save it. Oh, it's because I didn't do that. Aha! That is what I was looking for. Okay. Cannot convert argument 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fuck off. How's the audio? I don't know if anybody can hear me. What? Unknown process. No, what the fuck just happened? No, don't do that. 33. What? Did it crash? What's going on? Oh, that's just okay. My balls aren't drawing. I'm not happy about that. Okay, I'm really not happy that my balls are not drawing. Why? No, they're just not drawing at all. I don't know why that is. If I draw them at 0, what happens? They should just be there. That's what I don't get. Let's see. Is it because it's negative up? What do you mean, what the? What's going on? What's happening? I don't know what's happening. I'm just gonna have to do rendering from scratch. I'm just gonna have to do all of the, like, all this can just disappear right now. Honestly. All of that can just disappear. All of you gone. Sad. Sad, sad, sad. Only thing that renders like that is gonna be UI. I mean, that was UI, so I guess it can stay. I don't know why it's not working. Go crazy. What is my camera doing when it gets initialized? Okay, I set the up to be -1. Okay, well I can just have it be positive, I guess. Like, what would that hurt exactly? Ah, everything's upside down. Got it, got it. Okay, so instead, I will have everything be that. Yeah. Okay. Got it, okay. And that's gonna be negative. Got it, okay. I still don't understand why it's not rendering though. Because this is the origin. This is the size. So what if I just made the size bigger? I see you. I see you up there. Why are you all the way up there? I don't see you anymore. Okay, what if I made the size even bigger? I don't see it. What? Maybe this is the origin? Ah. What? Hold on, wait a minute. That's insanely confusing. What is my render position thing? It is the render scale. The render scale is based off of the renderer's scale, but that doesn't matter for global things like this. Right? But that doesn't help me. Wait, hold on. Why was nothing rendering when I did that? Huh. on my screen, but it works here. I'm gonna have to just redo rendering completely because I don't know what is going on. How did that even happen? How did... I'm actually gonna go crazy. And I'm gonna change the name of the stream. This is actually so PMO. This is so PMO. How do I... Can I not? Is that not a thing? I can't change the name of the stream while I'm... Ah, here. Let's do this. No longer programming. No longer particle system. Because since I have a 3D camera, I might as well just like take advantage of that for the UI as well. So I'm gonna get rid of all that. That's all gone. Gonna get rid of that. And in fact, I'm not even gonna bother with this. And that too. All of that. All of it is just gone. Like, I don't know why it was broken in the first place. Where's there? Change the song. It's so PMO. Wait, hold on. Now I'm even more confused now because before it was working. Like, I don't... Oh. Duh. I know why it's not working. I know why it's not working. And... very funny. Very funny that I got mad. Because I should have known. So I'm gonna leave all that there. I'm gonna leave it all there. Yeah. And now when I shrink it, it works. And I'm gonna go do this, and okay. So the issue that I was having... No, you don't get McDonald's. You do not get McDonald's. You do not. Drawsphere is a thing, right? Oh no, wait, hold on. Probably not. It is. Okay. So Drawsphere at vector 3, 0, 0, 0, and a radius of 100. Let's do aim state camera dot FOVY, so it should be at the center of the screen, and then it should be the height. It should reach the top of the camera. Right? That doesn't make sense though. No, it's a physical camera. The FOVY stays the same though. Or not, no, it doesn't stay the same. I don't know what I'm talking about anymore. And then the color. What color? Let's make it brown. Actually, no, let's make it maroon. Hold on, why am I drawing the black bars in 3D mode? Hold on. Let me, am I drawing them inside the 3D? Begin 3D mode and then does all that stuff. I am. Hold on. Wait a minute. No. Do it there. That way I don't have to do all that stuff. Yeah. Okay, so it is the top left corner. And it is changing the height. Am I changing the FOV? Alright, so... Hmm. Curious, 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 curious. I don't want the UI to be in 3D, but it might need to be just for my sake of for my own sanity. It might need to just stay in the 3D draw call, because if I try to separate it out, then I lose the flexibility I have of just like boom draw button, boom draw UI inside the gameplay code, and I like doing that because it makes me makes it easy. Okay, so what if I say back up like 100 and you know, you've got the same width. Okay, that just means my render position code fine. Their position.
Very nice, thank you.
beautiful star.
Hmm? Did I mess up my thing? Why? Wait a minute. Hold on. Oh, it doesn't need to be. Offset does not need to be added, does it? I think that might help. No. Okay, what happens if I just say this is 0, 0? We should still see them. They're like huge. Hmm. No, let's see. Render. I want to see offset. Offset is on the X and it's 542. So what if I just do negative 542? What? Oh wait, oh, no, 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 no. What changed? What did I do differently? Oh. are the balls in the wrong spot now? Oh, why is it so small? Why are they so small? Wait, actually, yeah, why are they so small? Is this the same song? Have a break at the cafe. And this is Mr. Gift. Okay. Wait, no, that's right. That's right. That's right. Okay, there's something else wrong because why does he have no health at all? I should probably have some kind of like inspector for the units. As like sometimes it works, sometimes it just doesn't, and I don't know what's going on. I didn't have to alt tab, did I? Yeah, because it's just gonna do this. Oh, my rock. Well, my balls draw to the screen at least. Yeah, okay. Okay, they don't need to be that big. Can I add this back in without anything breaking? No. I mean, I probably can if I just do, because these are like at 1,000 if I do this and then make it like that. It's perfectly fine. Look at that. Nobody suspects a thing. was the one that caused the brick? No, 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 no. What? Why? What happened? What happened? Why does it do that? Shop state 0. Shop state 0. Shop.cpp. Shop state, it's the buy state, yeah. Is it in here? I don't understand why it did that. I think I did it inside of a... It doesn't make sense why that would be the... Like, it works, but then something else is... Something else is wrong. Very strange situation. Like nothing's being rendered at all. Very bizarre. Is the camera's position not correct? Game initialized equals false. And then it does that. Game initialized equals false. Oh! Oh, there's no... Okay, so instead of game state camera, it should be the renderer. Do I have access to the renderer? I do. I do. It is a global variable. So instead of game state camera, yes, I want it to be inside the renderer. Gonna crash? Yeah. So inside of here, go to what, 453? It's gonna be the render's camera. Awesome. Awesome, 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 awesome. Okay. The 2 Gayo event? Oh, 2XKO. It should happen. There shouldn't be. I don't know why I can't make it spawn more of them. Okay. Anyways, now that I have that ready, I can actually start adding particles. Now that I have that figured out, I can start adding particles because the particles are going to basically use the same exact draw call, right? It's just going to be this, but with a different, Okay, so let's do this. Did I just put it in here? No, maybe. Well, I don't know. I don't know. Let's put it in here. Let's put it in the game one for now, and then I'll figure it out later. Yeah, velocity, I need a texture. Gonna need to figure out sprite animation. Do I need to count? Yes. Yeah, I'll just set up a basic queue. It's gonna there's only 64 particles, so there might be a lot of cycling out of particles, which is gonna be bad, but I don't know if I really care that much. Alright, so let's add a new particle. The fuck is this song? You're gone. Alright. So then I do so then it's gonna set itself equal to the one before it. And then I'm gonna do, so it sets it equal to the one before it. Because it is, yeah, and then and that's it, right? That's all I need to do. Mm. Oh, that's right. I also want a color, don't I? Yeah, I do want a color. So then the lifespan is going to be like 0.1f. The position. It's gonna be, wait a minute. Wait, yeah, no, that's right. The velocity is gonna be 0, the texture is gonna be global assets dot test. The color is gonna be gold. Is it? Yeah, gold is a color valid, and that's that. And then I'm gonna say wait, why not just go do that in the proc effects one, right? And I can just lie. I don't have to do it inside there. I can do it inside of here, right? Anytime an effect is procced, just particle on the entity that procced it. I think I should just put in the setup one. Probably shouldn't, but it's gonna stop me. And then it's not get any better. I don't think so. Wait, what position do I render them at, actually? I rendered them at 100, right? So I'll have the particles be at 90. Okay. Oh! Almost made a horrible mistake right here, right here. Okay, so particle count gets incremented, it goes through here, and then it's like, oh, the particle index is more than 64. We're gonna decrease the particle count by 1, and then we're gonna skip this index, right? Boom. Alright. That way, if it's bigger than, it's never gonna have more than 64 particles. I know that because it's a 64 element array. But now I can do, I'll just copy this. And then I can do, do I have delta time? Do I have a delta time? What? Am I crazy? I thought I had a... Whoa. Whoa. Are the timers... The timers are not integers. They are integers. Oh. Okay. Well. So if it's bigger than its duration, it's gonna swap back. So it's gonna say that. Okay. It's gonna be that. And then particle, that one equals. Yeah, it's a swap back. The one at the end, which would be the count, is, yep, and then oh wait, no, I don't need to do anything else because the one at the end is just gonna get deleted anyways, right? Yeah, I don't need to save any other information about it. I just do that, and then I do particle count gets decremented. Mm-mm-mm. I don't like this. I don't like this song. Fuck you, Persona 3. No, no. Okay. And I think that's it. I think that's it. I think that's it. No, there were a bunch of errors. Particle count is not a member of render state. I would beg to differ. It's right there. Oh, I can't spell. Particle count. Okay. Anyways, let's go to duration undeclared. Okay, hold on. What if I just rebuild again? Undeclared identifier. Oh, wait. Yeah, I really just can't spell. What? Oh, the fucking... Size... I thought the size... Wait. Oh, wait. I see. It needs a dot operator. Wait, can't I just do... Yeah, I should have just done that. What do you mean, float into... That should be it. Yes, okay. Uh, no. No. What? No, dude. Why? Alright, let's see. Why am I getting... Oh. Oh, yeah.
You know, my love is sweet. Yes, I'm cooking for my son and his wife. It's his 30th birthday.
It's his 30th birthday.
Eggs into my bowl at the milk of 2 months ago. It's more than mom, isn't it? I don't give a flying fuck about. It's fruit nouveau. It's fruit nouveau. The shape of love. You know my love is sweet. You were born in the 60s. We made the war with the Vietnamese. We love LC. We die easily. Can we just say, shut up? So what? Say what? For your own sake. Headache or heartbreak. I am broken by the birthday cake. You and me so on the uptake. I put a pot in the birthday cake. So what? Say what? For my own sake. Watch out, yo. Here come yo. I'm gonna change your rotten sake. Turn off the TV. Do you agree? Yeah. I'm taking turkey. Take it from me. I'm gonna show my love for my dad, but it's more than mom, isn't it? Extra sugar, extra salt, extra oil, energy. Extra sugar, extra salt, extra oil, energy.
This song is so fucking ass. I could only listen to this song while playing fucking Jet Set Radio. There's no... Like, there's no fucking way. There's... What? There's... There's an entity, like, up here that's procking something. Like, how? What? Okay. You're starting to piss me off. mean, the particle system works though. Like, it's just this stuff. Excuse me? What did I do wrong? Like, why is there one that just, like, pops up out there? That's what I don't understand. But everything else works. Like, it's just some small, like, minor things that don't make sense. Probably with my thing here. Now that I think about it, particle count. Why? Why? Why do you do that? That's what I don't get. It's because it aged out, and so the ones that are still there, yeah. Oh, no. That wasn't it. What? Hold on. I might be a little stupid. I might be a tiny bit stupid. Wait. No. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. It's just this part here. That should be that. Anytime I go to the last index, I should be subtracting it by 1. Other than that, that's fine. Nothing wrong with this. I know that. Because this will be 1. Because it's not going to be equal to 0. It's going to be... Oh. Hold on. That still doesn't change anything. Or maybe it does. Oh. I think that's what it is. I think that might be what it is. I'm not processing the last one. Which one? Oh. What? What did I change that broke it? I don't know. There we go. That was the issue. I wasn't rendering the first one in the list, so then when it got pushed out after emitting a new particle, it just like stayed there. It was just like, yo, what up? Okay. Well, that's the particle system. It took way longer than I expected. Well, I did also like change how rendering worked altogether too, so I can't be too mad. It's good to know now that like it does continuously like hit, right? That's something that I was worried about. That's not something that I want to happen at all, right? If they like just because they're intersecting doesn't mean they should hit each other, right? Perfect. Yes, yes. So, that is exactly what I wanted. Yeah, only if they get bounced, right, do they get hit. Otherwise, it doesn't do that. Yeah. I need to figure out what the deal is with the like the health and the everything is. But I mean, it's mostly fine. I just need to know why it's like that. But we're getting there. Took me what like 2 hours to get rendering and particles working. Amazing. Alright. Well, that's it.